I request all the dignitaries to please kindly have your seats. We'll be starting the program in a minute. The program will be starting at 9:30. Will be arrival of Honorable Chief Guest, Honorable Shri Sudhanshu Dhulia Sir. Then the Registrar General Madam will be inviting the honorable guests. Then we'll have the felicitation and the memento presenting of the honorable dignitaries. We'll be having the welcome address of Honorable DJ Madam. Then we'll be having the virtual tour of the buildings, and so on. The program will be continued. I welcome Honorable Shri Justice Vivek Bharati Sharma on the premises of the new court building, District Court, Dehradun. Welcome, sir. A very warm welcome on behalf of District Court, Dehradun.
इस नवनिर्मित न्यायालय प्रांगण में आप सभी महान विभूतिगणों का मैं जिला जज देहरादून की ओर से हार्दिक अभिनंदन और स्वागत करता हूं। आप सभी से सादर अनुरोध है कि आप कृपया अपने अपने लिए संरक्षित सीट पर बैठने की कृपा करें। हम सभी के लिए ये गर्व का पल है कि हमारे बीच माननीय न्यायमूर्ति विवेक भारती शर्मा जी पधार चुके हैं। हम जिला जज देहरादून की ओर से सर का हार्दिक स्वागत एवं अभिनंदन करते हैं। ये हमारी नवनिर्मित जिला जज देहरादून की कोर्ट बिल्डिंग पुरानी जेल कंपाउंड पे बनी है। ये हमारे लिए गर्व का विषय है कि ये उस धरा पे बनी हुई है जहाँ पर हमारे स्वतंत्रता सेनानियों ने स्वतंत्रता की लड़ाई में यहाँ पर वो कुछ दिनों तक कारागार में ही रहे हैं और ऐसी पावन धरा से न्याय की धारा का शुभारंभ करने का हम सभी को अवसर मिल रहा है। ये वर्तमान नवनिर्मित न्यायालय प्रांगण मुख्य रूप से वादकारियों के हितों को ध्यान में रखते हुए निर्मित की गई है। हमारे नवनिर्मित प्रांगण में आधुनिक तकनीकें जैसे कि हाइब्रिड मोड का भी विशेषकर से ध्यान रखा गया है। यहाँ पे जो भी वादकारी आए उन्हें बेसिक सुविधा से लेकर टेक्नोलॉजिकल तक हर प्रकार की सुविधाएं प्रदान करने का प्रयास किया गया है। मैं कृपया पुनः अनुरोध कर रहा हूँ आप सभी से महानुभूतिगण से, कृपया अपने लिए संरक्षित सीट पर बैठने की कृपा करें, जिससे कि प्रोग्राम का संचालन सुविधापूर्ण ढंग से किया जा सके।
I welcome Honorable Shri Justice Alok Kumar Verma ji in the premises of the new building, District Court, Dehradun. Welcome, sir. I welcome all the honorable retired judges who are present here, who have given their precious time to attend this ceremony. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. A warm welcome to Honorable Shri Justice Ravindra Matani, sir, who has just arrived in the District Court, new building District Court compound. Welcome, sir. A warm welcome to you, sir. A warm welcome to Madam also, who have arrived in the District Court compound. Welcome, Madam. A warm welcome to all the officers posted in the deputation. A warm welcome to the President Bar Association Dehradun, Secretary Bar Association Dehradun. I request to all the dignitaries, please kindly have your seats. A warm welcome to Honorable Shri Justice Pankaj Prohit ji and Ladyship Madam. A warm welcome in the District Court compound. I request all the honorable guests and the staff who's standing outside, please kindly take your seats. We'll be starting the program in a minute. Thank you. I again welcome to all the honorable retired judges who have just arrived in the inaugural ceremony. At the same time, I also welcome all the members of the bar who have just arrived in the inaugural ceremony. Thank you. A warm welcome to Honorable Acting Chief Justice, Honorable High Court of Uttarakhand, Honorable Justice Shri Manoj Kumar Tiwari ji. A warm welcome to you, sir, in the new compound of District Court, Dehradun. A warm welcome to Lordship Madam. A warm welcome to Honorable Shri Justice Rakesh Thaplayal ji and Madam in the new court compound district Dehradun. I again welcome all the dignitaries present in the inaugural ceremony, all the members of the Bar Association in the inaugural ceremony. Our chief guest of the day, Honorable Shri Justice Sudhanshu Dhulia ji has just arrived in the premises. A warm welcome to Honorable Shri Justice Sudhanshu Dhulia ji, who is the chief guest of the day. I welcome you, sir, on behalf of all the officers of District Court Dehradun. Welcome you, sir. request all the guests present in the inaugural ceremony, please kindly have your seats. I again request all the honorable dignitaries, please kindly have your seats. We'll be starting the program in a minute. Thank you. Honorable Shri Justice Sudhanshu Dhulia ji, Judge Supreme Court of India, Honorable Acting Chief Justice, Honorable High Court of Uttarakhand, Shri Justice Manoj Kumar Tiwari ji, Honorable Shri Justice Ravindra Matani ji, Honorable Shri Justice Alok Kumar Verma ji, Honorable Shri Justice Pankaj Prohit ji, Honorable Shri Justice Rakesh Thaplayal ji, Honorable Shri Justice Vivek Bharti Sharma ji, Honorable Principal Secretary cum LR Uttarakhand Government Shri Pradeep Pant ji, Honorable District Judge Dehradun Prem Singh Khimal ji, Honorable Registrar General Madam, Honorable Judges of Deputation, Members of the Registry, Honorable Judges and the retired Honorable Judges, Members of the Bar, all the dignitary members and their family members, I welcome you in this august gathering. A warm welcome to all. Good morning to all. Ladies and gentlemen, it's a matter of great pleasure and pride for all of us to mark the inauguration of the new court district building. A warm welcome to Honorable Shri Justice Sudhanshu Dhulia ji, Judge Supreme Court of India, and Honorable Judges of High Court of Uttarakhand. Honorable Sir, may I have your permission to start the program? May I have your permission to start the program?
यतो धर्मस्ततो जया की अवधारणा को चरितार्थ करती हुई और हमारी भारतीय लोकतंत्र की स्तंभ न्याय प्रणाली के मुख्य केंद्रबिंदु वादकारियों को न्याय प्राप्ति के मार्ग में अनुकूल व सुविधा सुलभ वातावरण प्रदान करने के उद्देश्य को ध्यान में रखती हुई हिमालय की गोद में नवनिर्मित इस न्यायालय प्रांगण की पावन धरा पर मैं अमित कुमार शर्मा इस समारोह की आभा और मुख्य अतिथि परम आदरणीय श्री सुधांशु धुलिया जी, न्यायाधीश माननीय उच्चतम न्यायालय, माननीय न्यायमूर्तिगण उत्तराखंड उच्च न्यायालय एवं इस प्रांगण में उपस्थित माननीय न्यायमूर्ति के पारिवारिक सदस्य तथा आप सभी महान विभूतियों का जिला जजी देहरादून की ओर से हार्दिक अभिनंदन व स्वागत करता हूं। आप महानुभावों की आभामयी एवं गरिमामयी उपस्थिति आज हमें हमारे न्यायिक परिवार को गौरवान्वित और अभिभूत कर रही है।
I request the Honorable Chief Guest and all the Honorable Judges of Honorable High Court to have your seat on the dais. Welcome, sir.
हमारी भारतीय परंपरा के अनुसार प्रत्येक मांगलिक कार्य का शुभारंभ हम सभी दीप प्रज्वलित करके करते हैं। मैं मंचासीन महान भूपतियोगणों से विनम्र अनुरोध करता हूं कि वे दीप प्रज्वलित कर इस समारोह की शुभारंभ करने की कृपा करें। सर प्लीज।
The new building of District Court Dehradun is constructed on the premises of the old jail compound. Dehradun has the highest number of cases in the state of Uttarakhand, which resulted into the creation of new courts from time to time. With the advancement in the technological era, a new high-tech infrastructure was the need of the hour. The judiciary has also shifted from the physical mode to the hybrid mode. To cope with the technological era and the creation of the new courts, the new infrastructure was required. Thus, the construction of the new building was started in the year 2013. The present building comprises of 59 courtrooms, video conferencing room, conference hall, judge's chamber, and the crèche facility is also provided in the compound. The new court building is thus a benchmark of the new technological era, which will result into the speedy justice to the common masses. Before proceeding further, for the inaugural ceremony, I would like to request Honorable Registrar General Madam to kindly welcome all the dignitaries with her welcome speech, and I further request her to kindly hold the dais for the further inaugural ceremony. Thank you, Madam.
Thank you, Mamta. May I seek the permission of Honorable the Chief Guest, Honorable Mr. Justice Sudhanshu Dhulia, Judge Supreme Court of India, to start the proceedings from here. Thank you, Lordship. On behalf of the High Court of Uttarakhand and District Judiciary Dehradun, I, Kehkashan Khan, Registrar General, welcome Honorable Mr. Justice Sudhanshu Dhulia, Judge Supreme Court of India, Honorable the Acting Chief Justice, Mr. Justice Manoj Kumar Tiwari, and Honorable Madam Mrs. Manju Tiwari, Honorable Mr. Justice Ravindra Matani, and Honorable Madam Mrs. Shobha Matani, Honorable Mr. Justice Alok Kumar Verma, and Honorable Madam Mrs. Anju Verma, Honorable Justice Shri Rakesh Thapliyal, Honorable Mr. Justice Pankaj Purohit ji, and Honorable Madam Mrs. Purohit, Honorable Mr. Justice Vivek Bharti Sharma ji, District Dehradun Mr. Prem Singh Khimal, Principal Secretary Law, Government of Uttarakhand, Mr. Pradeep Pant, Principal Secretary Legislative and Parliamentary Affairs, Government of Uttarakhand, Mr. Dhananjay Chaturvedi, Legal Advisor to His Excellency, Governor of Uttarakhand, Mr. Amit Kumar Sirohi, President of the District Bar Association of Dehradun, Shri Rajiv Sharma Advocate, Secretary Bar Association of Dehradun, members of Bar Council of Uttarakhand, all learned advocates of Dehradun Bar Association and other associations of the state, registrars of Honorable High Court of Uttarakhand, all other judicial officers who are present here and those who have joined virtually, Senior Executive Director of NBCC, Shri Yogesh Sharma, District Magistrate Dehradun, Mr. Savin Bansal, Senior Superintendent of Police Dehradun, media personals, ladies and gentlemen. A very good morning to all of you and a warm welcome. On the occasion of inauguration of this newly constructed District Court building of Dehradun, it is a matter of great honor and pride for the entire state judiciary of Uttarakhand that this newly constructed state-of-the-art District Court complex at Dehradun is being inaugurated by one of the boldest, even-minded, and well-appreciated judge of our times in Honorable Supreme Court of India, who hails from our own state and is son of soil. We are obliged to our chief guest, Mr. Justice Sudhanshu Dhulia, Judge Supreme Court of India, and other honorable dignitaries for accepting our invitation and gracing this momentous occasion by their benign presence. May I now humbly request for felicitation memento giving ceremony to honorable dignitaries. May I now humbly request Honorable the Acting Chief Justice, Mr. Manoj Kumar Tiwari, to felicitate our chief guest, Honorable Mr. Justice Sudhanshu Dhulia, Judge Supreme Court of India, by giving memento, shawl, and planter of a Rudraksh. Lordship. Thank you, Lordship. May I now humbly request President Bar Association Dehradun, Shri Rajiv Sharma Advocate, to felicitate Honorable the Acting Chief Justice, Shri Manoj Kumar Tiwari, by giving memento, shawl and planter. Thank you, sir. May I now humbly request Principal Secretary, Legislative and Parliamentary Affairs, Government of Uttarakhand, Shri Dhananjay Chaturvedi, to felicitate Honorable Justice Shri Rakesh Thapliyal by giving a memento, shawl and planter. ये गलत हो गया. I'm sorry, ये थोड़ा सा सीरियल में गलत हो गया है. May I now humbly request District Dehradun, Shri Prem Singh Khimal to felicitate Honorable Justice Shri Ravindra Matani by giving memento shawl and planter. Thank you, sir. May I now humbly request Principal Secretary Law cum LR Uttarakhand Government, Shri Pradeep Pant, to felicitate Honorable Justice Shri Alok Kumar Verma by giving memento shawl and planter. Thank you, sir. May I now humbly request Legal Advisor to His Excellency Uttarakhand Shri Amit Kumar Sirohi to felicitate Honorable Justice Shri Pankaj Purohit ji by giving a memento shawl and planter. Thank you, Mr. Sirohi. May I now humbly request Additional Research First Shri Mahesh Kaushiva Dehradun to felicitate Honorable Justice Shri Vivek Bharati Sharma ji by giving memento, shawl and a planter. Thank you, Mr. Kaushiva. We have amongst us respected spouses of honorable judges. May I now humbly request Mrs. Preetu Sharma to honor Mrs. Manju Tiwari, respectable Mrs. Manoj Kumar Tiwari, by giving a shawl and a planter. Verma. Okay. Thank you, Preetu. May I now humbly request Ms. Mamta Pant to honor respectable Madam Mrs. Shobha Matani by giving a shawl and a planter. Thank you, Mamta. May I now request Ms. Nancy to honor respectable Mrs. Rameshwari Purohit, Madam, by giving a shawl and planter. Thank you, Nancy. Now I would like to demonstrate some of the salient features of this newly constructed District Court Complex main building, clad in elegant white sandstone, represents a monumental leap towards fulfilling our aim of making justice accessible to all. Housing 59 court halls, besides same number of office rooms, one ADR center, one family court block, having 5 courtrooms, therein with all other essential infrastructure, this complex, having built at a sanctioned cost of rupees 206.78 crore, integrates the highest standards of technological advancement and architectural design. The complex boasts modern facilities including an advanced HVAC system, EPABX and data networking system, 360-degree CCTV surveillance, fire detection, firefighting systems, and a comprehensive public address system. This building will cater the need of approximately 2.50 lakhs litigants, 17 lakhs people of general population of the state, and approximately 4,000 advocates of Dehradun Bar. Old building is insufficient to cater the need of huge pendency of approximate 1,20,000 cases of entire districts and ongoing litigation. As per a report published in Times of India, Dehradun Court old building dates back to 1820 AD, to which additions of new structure have been made from time to time. Earlier there was only one Munsif court in Dehradun, and District Saharanpur was discharged for Dehradun as well. Court of Discharge Dehradun was created in 60s, and first discharge took over charge in 1966. Shifting from old court complex to new complex has been a long journey indeed. Now I would like to inform that a short video has been videographed by NBCC of the District Court main building, which will be played now to have a glimpse of some parts of the building. Please have a virtual tour of the new District Court building. I request the technical team to play the video now. थैंक यू। एक पत्थर की भी तकदीर संवर सकती है, एक पत्थर की भी तकदीर संवर सकती है, शर्त यह है कि तरीके से तराशा जाए। And NBCC has got constructed this building with the help of masons from Rajasthan. A big applause for those people who converted stone into art. We have our esteemed guest with us to bless us with few kind words. May I now humbly request President Bar Association of Dehradun, Mr. Rajiv Sharma, to come on dais and share his views on this occasion. Mr. Rajiv Sharma. From this side.
Honorable Justice Sudhanshu Dhulia ji, Judge Supreme Court of India, Honorable Justice Manoj Tiwari ji, Acting Chief Justice of High Court of Uttarakhand, Honorable Justice Ravindra Matani ji, Honorable Justice Alok Verma ji, Honorable Justice Rakesh Thaplyal ji, Honorable Justice Pankaj Purohit ji, Honorable Justice Vivek Bharti Sharma ji, respected Prem Singh Khimal ji, District Judge Dehradun, Shri Pradeep Pant ji, Principal Secretary Law, other honorable former judges of the High Court, other respected judges and former judges, members of the bar and distinguished guests. It indeed is a privilege and a matter of providence that Honorable Justice Sudhanshu Dhulia ji, who I have been told was also involved in the initial stages of planning of this building, as the judge of Honorable High Court of Uttarakhand. Today he is inaugurating the magnificent Dehradun District Court building. This magnificent structure, as we see today, is not only the best court building in the state of Uttarakhand, but perhaps it would be one of the finest court buildings in India, equipped with modern facilities like lift, escalators, washroom, library. As we all know, the foundation stone of this building was laid in the year 2013 by Honorable Justice late Mr. Baren Ghosh, former Chief Justice of Uttarakhand. Though the construction of the building was commenced in the right earnest, but the construction was stalled for substantial time because of lack of release of funds by the government. It was in this background that on 26th of December 2019, the Honorable Supreme Court had issued directions to the state government to furnish utilization certificate so as to enable the further release of funds for completion of the court complex at Dehradun. However, this halt in hindsight can be said to be a blessing in disguise, since the district court building is now equipped with provisions for virtual hearings, cameras for recording of court proceedings, and digitalization of records. In the last few years, especially after the COVID-19 pandemic, there has been a transformation in the judicial setup. The shift to virtual hearing and digital system has been a bane for all concerned, and recent revolutionary advancements have opened the door for integration of artificial intelligence in the justice delivery system. This integration between human and artificial intelligence shall result in expeditious and just disposal of cases. This building not only symbolizes the progress of our judicial system, but also stands testament to its commitment for justice, equality, and rule of law. Today we celebrate not just a building, but the ideals and principles it will uphold. Our courts are more than edifices of mortar and stone, and they are sanctuaries of our democracy. Each brick laid here represents the hard work, dedication, and vision of countless individuals who believe in the power of justice. This building will serve as the arena where justice is sought, where the voiceless will find their voice, and where truth shall prevail over prejudice. The new building will also fulfill the dreams and aspirations of the lawyers, particularly the young aspiring lawyers who in the past have been reluctant to practice in the subordinate courts, fearing lack of good working environment. As we open these doors, we embrace the future with hope and determination. This building is equipped with modern facilities which will enhance the efficiency of our judicial process, ensuring that justice is not only done but seen to be done. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to everyone involved in making this dream a reality. The tireless efforts of all the persons involved and their unwavered dedication have culminated in this momentous achievement. Honorable Justice Dhulia and other judges of the Honorable High Court and the dignitaries present in this event, your presence today is a great source of inspiration for all of us. In conclusion, let us all reaffirm our commitment to the pursuit of justice. Let us work together to uphold the principle that our legal system stands for and ensure that this court becomes a beacon of fairness, integrity, and compassion. Thank you all, and let us celebrate the momentous day with a resolve to serve justice with renewed vigor and dedication. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Rajiv Sharma. May I now humbly request Honorable Mr. Justice Ravindra Matani, Judge, Honorable High Court of Uttarakhand, to kindly enlighten us with his Lordship's kind and valuable words. On this occasion, many of the senior advocates working in District Court Dehradun are present here, and they know Honorable Justice Matani and his Lordship's working pretty well when his Lordship worked as Additional District and Sessions Judge in Dehradun District Court in the year 2003 and 2004. And for them, it is a kind of revisit to those fond memories which left an indelible mark on the psyche of advocates of Dehradun. Your Lordship.
Honorable Mr. Justice Sudhanshu Dhulia, Judge Supreme Court of India. Honorable Sri Manoj Kumar Tiwari, Acting Chief Justice, High Court of Uttarakhand. My esteemed brother judges, Justice Alok Verma, Justice Rakesh Thapliyal, Justice Pankaj Purohit, Justice Vivek Bharati Sharma, former Judge Justice Giriyal, all the other former judicial officers. I may name a few: Mr. Garula, Mr. Dharamsattu, Mr. Bijalwan, Madam Kumkumrani, Mr. Maheshwari, Mr. Ram Singh. If I forget someone, please, my apologies. District Judge Mr. Khimal and Mrs. Khimal, respected Mrs. Tiwari, Mrs. Purohit, Shobha, Principal Secretary Law, Principal Secretary Legislative Assembly, President and Office Bearers of High Court Bar Association, District Court Bar Associations, DM, SSP, all the judicial officers, administrative officers, ladies and gentlemen. मेरे लिए तो आज बड़ा मिक्स फीलिंग है. जैसे कहा, मेरे लिए घर वापसी तो है ही है. जीवन के 2.5 साल मैंने लाल इमारत में गुजारे थे. उसके लॉन, उसकी दीवारें, वो खड़खड़ाते हुए कूलर की आवाज़, चिलचिलाती धूप जिसमें एक वातकारी भीतर आता था, केस के लिए नहीं शायद पंखे की हवा के लिए आता था, वो सारी बातें मेरे जहन में आज भी हैं. आज जब मैं आराघर चौक से इस तरफ को मुड़ा, जैसे ही गाड़ी बाईं तरफ को मुड़ी, तो ये पहला अनुभव था कि शायद वो पुराना सेटअप ढांचा अब कुछ नए विस्तार के लिए, नई ऊंचाइयों को छूने के लिए नई जगह पर चला गया है. ये बातें मैं अपने रिटर्न टैक्स से पहले दिल की बात थी. मैंने यहाँ बहुत कुछ सीखा है, इस बार से बहुत कुछ सीखा है. क्या सिविल, क्या क्रिमिनल, क्या आचार, क्या व्यवहार. वरिष्ठ सदस्य जो प्रतिरूप थे इस पेशे के अस्तित्व के, मैंने उनसे भी बहुत कुछ सीखा है. उसी लेगेसी को शायद आगे बढ़ाता रहा हूँ. Today is indeed a memorable day when this magnificent court complex is being inaugurated by Honorable Mr. Justice Sudhanshu Dhulia, who is a lighthouse, has always been a source of inspiration to all of us. This marks a new chapter in our journey. I like to express my heartfelt gratitude to everyone who helped build this new court, which represents our combined efforts to make the legal systems stronger and more efficient. उन सभी श्रमिकों को जिनके बच्चों ने शायद यहीं पर कई दिन गुजारे होंगे, उनके लिए भी मेरा नमन इस अवसर पर. Today's inauguration of this new district court building is more than just an architectural achievement. It is also a crucial step in the ongoing growth of our judiciary. It represents the state's persistent commitment to improving court facilities and ensuring access to justice. On the earlier days, a court required only a willing judge, prepared advocates, and presence of litigants. However, in today's fast-paced society, which is more fueled by technology and diversity, our requirements have changed. We now require a modern infrastructure that serves not only a place for legal proceedings, but a compassionate and accessible environment for all, including the elderly, the disabled, and the people of all backgrounds. I still remember there were transfer applications filed in the district courts by the senior advocates that the matter may be transferred from the court which is on the second floor to the ground floor because they cannot climb the steps or their client cannot climb. We have state-of-art escalators and lifts in the new court buildings, so it is more accessible and it further ensures access to justice to one and all. The district court as the first place of call for justice has an imperative role in our legal system. People typically get their first encounter with the majesty and responsibility of the law here. With this new structure, we are not just adding more bricks, we are constructing a space that reflects the idea of justice. This court is meant to be a living institution in which the ideals embodied in our constitution, that is equality, justice, and the rule of law, are brought to life with each case heard and decided. It reminds me how when we think of our constitution, we think of it as a living document, which transforms itself with time. When we say the judiciary is protector of constitutional spirits, it starts the transforming ourselves as well. This new building is a space that will provide an environment for justice delivery, which has its own spirit and life. This place is a testament to collective commitment towards transformation for efficient judicial processes, reduced pendency, and a compassionate approach. We are witnessing substantial effort by the judiciary to modernize its practices. We are at the High Court are putting the best of our efforts into digitizing the court records, e-filing, and video conferencing, making the judicial processes more accessible. In fact, Dehradun is a district which has now been chosen for digitization of the records. We have 7 crore pages of decided records. The project is to be launched within a fortnight from now. We also propose to have here 4 paperless courts, 3 NI courts especially, and 1 commercial courts. In fact, we want to have a kind of architecture of the data that on the portal itself the petition could be filed, everything e-filing. Suppose a criminal case is decided in the session court and appeal is to be filed in the High Court, or decided by the magistrate court and appeal is to be filed in the sessions court. Simply on the portal, grounds of appeal may be written and the lower court file could be retrieved or navigated by the appellate court online. So our High Court is working on that aspect. I urge all the young judges to utilize these resources as a shield in their hands to defend justice, make this place a living story where change transpires. The members of bar, as court officers, remain critical in ensuring that justice is done. Their preparedness and commitment are crucial in assisting the court's effort to provide timely and effective justice. Let us keep working together to make this court a lighthouse of fairness. Finally, this new district court facility serves as a testament to our continued quest for justice. It is a space that brings us all together in our common responsibility to maintain the rule of law and the constitutional ideals that unite us as a community. Let us embrace this shift and resolve to utilize this new facility as a foundation for future development in justice delivery. Thanks everyone who helped make this day possible. Let us continue on this path together, certain that the actions we take today will have a long-term impact on our legal system for future generations. And goodbye to the old complex. We wish and hope that very quickly all the courts are shifted in this new premises, which have 59 courts and state-of-art modern facilities, including health clubs, etc. Thank you all. Thank you very much.
मैं तुम्हारे शहर की पुरानी इमारत ही सही, मैं तुम्हारे शहर की पुरानी इमारत ही सही, लोग मुझ में आज भी अपना बीता हुआ कल ढूंढते हैं. मुझे लगता है कि पुराने एडवोकेट उस बिल्डिंग को भी मिस करेंगे. और लॉर्डशिप, विद योर काइंड परमिशन, ट्रांसफ़र एप्लीकेशंस इसलिए नहीं लग रही थी कि एसेसिबिलिटी नहीं थी, वो इसलिए लग रही थी कि नीचे ग्राउंड फ्लोर पर एक ही कोर्ट थी जो आपकी थी, बाकी सारी एडीजे सेशन कोर्ट वाली ऊपर थी. एडवोकेट्स वांटेड टू get decided their cases by your lordship because they had faith and trust in your lordship very much. Their faith was very high. So non-accessibility is an issue, but justice still lies in the hands of and mind of a judge. May I now humbly request Honorable Mr. Justice Manoj Kumar Tiwari, the Acting Chief Justice, Honorable High Court of Uttarakhand, to kindly enlighten us with your Lordship's kind and motivational words. Honorable Justice Shri Manoj Kumar Tiwari is also Administrative Judge of District Dehradun since 2020. So His Lordship is also well aware of working of District Dehradun Court. His Lordship is known for his soft-spokenness, humbleness, and is a cool-minded and patient listener, Judge. Your Lordship.
Thank you, Kehkasha. Good morning, everyone. Greetings to Honorable Justice Shri Sudhanshu Dhulia, Judge Supreme Court of India. My esteemed fellow judges of Uttarakhand High Court on the dais, Justice Ravindra Matani, Justice Alok Kumar Verma, Justice Rakesh Thapliyal, Justice Pankaj Purohit, Justice Vivek Bharati Sharma, Justice Gilyal and other honorable judges, Advocate General Mr. S.N. Babulkar, Mr. Pradeep Pant, Principal Secretary Law, Government of Uttarakhand, Mr. P.S. Khimal, District Judge, Dehradun, Mr. Rajiv Sharma, President of the Dehradun Bar Association, Mr. D.S. Mehta, Mr. Viren Singh Rawat and other learned judges of High Court Bar, learned advocates of High Court Bar Association, Registrar General Ms. Kehkasha Khan, Member Secretary of Uttarakhand State Legal Service Authority, Mr. Pradeep, members of the registry, office bearers and members of Dehradun Bar Association, judicial officers of District Dehradun, including those on deputation to the state government, Mr. Saveen Bansal, District Magistrate Dehradun, SSP Dehradun, CMO Dehradun, officers of the constructing agency NBCC, office bearers and members of other bar associations, esteemed invitees and distinguished guests, media persons, ladies and gentlemen. Today we have gathered here on the auspicious occasion of the inaugural ceremony of new building of District Court Dehradun, which is more than just a building, as it symbolizes the commitment of the legal community towards providing access to justice for all. It is a place of significance where knowledge, experience and innovation converge to shape the future of the justice delivery system. The administration of justice is the cornerstone of democracy, and this court campus is a testament to our commitment to upholding the rule of law. Honorable Mr. Justice Sudhanshu Dhulia, whose journey began in the Uttarakhand High Court and who now serves in the highest judicial platform in the country, is back among us to bless this significant day with his benign presence. Sir, your association with Uttarakhand and your inspiring legacy in the judiciary fills us all with immense pride. We know that justice is the foundation of civilized society, and this court campus stands as a beacon of hope and for those seeking fairness and equality. First and foremost, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to everyone who contributed to the successful completion of this remarkable project. A special thanks goes to NBCC, along with its dedicated engineers, contractors, workers, masons, whose tireless efforts have brought this vision to reality. Since its commencement on 12th of April 2016, this state-of-the-art court complex, housing 59 courts in the main building and 5 specialized family courts, is equipped with modern ICT features, including lifts, escalators, ramps, centralized air conditioning, a crash facility, 2 conference rooms, and beautifully landscaped green lawns, all designed to enhance the experience of litigants and stakeholders. The integration of digital case management systems, video conferencing and e-filing within this modern facility marks significant progress towards a more transparent and efficient judiciary. These advancements will not only expedite the resolution of cases, but also make the legal process more accessible to the public. As we all know, judges are the guardians of justice, and it is our solemn duty to uphold the law and ensure a fair justice delivery system mechanism for every section of society. We must continuously strive to create courtrooms that are accessible, impartial, inclusive, and unbiased. While navigating the complexities of the legal system, it is essential to keep in mind that our collective goal is to uphold the rule of law, protect individual rights, and promote fairness and equality. The ultimate aim of the judiciary is not only to deliver justice, but also to restore hope, rebuild trust, and uplift the human spirit. This occasion reminds me of a famous quote by Theodore Roosevelt, that is, justice consists not in being neutral between right and wrong, but in finding out the right and upholding it, wherever found, against the wrong. The justice delivery system strives to balance the rights of the victims on one hand, and on the other hand, rights of the accused persons. It makes the guilty person accountable for the violation of law, while protecting the rights of innocent party. There is a thin line difference between guilt and innocence, and always reminds the complexity and delicacy of the justice dispensation process. The judges are entrusted with the duty of disposal of cases with their intellect and interpretation of law. Hence, it is right to say that efficient and effective justice delivery system is essential for maintaining social order, promoting public trust, and ensuring that individuals and communities receive fair decision and get justice that they deserve. We should work to create an environment to improve justice for all citizens, particularly marginalized communities. Judicial accountability and transparency in the administration of justice is the paramount factor to ensure an effective justice delivery system. We should work to make strategies to overcome the challenges which are being faced by the judiciary in tackling the increasing number of cases and pendency. May the inauguration of this new court building mark a brighter dawn for justice, human rights, and rule of law. As has been said, that give light and the darkness will disappear itself. May our collective efforts within these walls foster a culture of transparency, accountability, and truth. I can say that the work of this new court building was not that easy. वो कहते हैं कि यूं ही नहीं मिलती राही को मंजिल, एक जनून सा दिल में जगाना पड़ता है. पूछा चिड़िया से कैसे बना आशियाना, तो बोली भरनी पड़ती है उड़ान, बार बार तिनका तिनका उठाना पड़ता है. यह कहना गलत नहीं होगा कि यह न्यायालय भवन भी तिनका तिनका उठाकर ही तैयार हुआ है, और इसे सपनों का न्यायालय बनाना अब हम सबकी जिम्मेदारी है. So let us work together to advance the cause of justice and create a compassionate legal system that truly serves the people. As we are heading towards a new chapter, we should take blessings of Almighty God, that may our actions be guided by wisdom, compassion, and pursuit of excellence. May this court campus be a beacon of justice and catalyst for positive change in the society. We dedicate this court campus to the tireless efforts of judges, lawyers, and the court staff. Last but not the least, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to Honorable Justice Shri Sudhanshu Dhulia ji, Judge Supreme Court of India, for graciously consenting to inaugurate this grand district court building at Dehradun. Lordship's presence has elevated this momentous occasion, and we are deeply indebted for his benevolence. Your guidance and wisdom will continue to inspire us in our pursuit of justice. I would like to once again congratulate everyone involved in making this day a reality. May this new court building stand as a beacon of hope, a place where the rights of individuals are upheld, where the principles of justice, equality, and fairness guide every decision. Thank you for your presence here today, and once again, congratulations on this monumental achievement. Thank you.
Thank you, Lordship, for such a wonderful, eloquent address to this august gathering. Now, for the person whom I am going to invite, I would like to read a Urdu couplet, and I want a big applause on that. किरदार में मेरे भले अदाकारियाँ नहीं हैं, किरदार में मेरे भले अदाकारियाँ नहीं हैं, खुददारी है, गुरूर है, पर मक्कारियाँ नहीं हैं। ये शेर अपने आप में ही उस शख्सियत का तारुफ करवा देता है जो आज के हमारे इस प्रोग्राम के चीफ गेस्ट भी हैं। Honorable Justice Shri Sudhanshu Dhulia is known for his profound legal acumen and commitment to justice. His Lordship possesses a remarkable blend of intellect and compassion, often emphasizing the importance of accessibility and equality in the legal system. His Lordship is respected not only for his judicial boldness, wisdom, impartiality, and fairness, but also for his demeanor and humility, making him a beloved figure amongst colleagues, legal fraternity, and intellectuals. His Lordship is a rare combination of royalness and humility. May I now humbly request our Honorable Chief Guest, Justice Shri Sudhanshu Dhulia, Judge, Supreme Court of India, to kindly bless us with your Lordship's insightful and inspiring words.
Justice Manoj Tiwari, Acting Chief Justice of Uttarakhand High Court, and his companion judges, Justice Ravindra Matani, Justice Alok Verma, Justice Rakesh Thapliyal, Justice Pankaj Purohit, and Justice Sharma, and their gracious spouses who are also here. The learned district judge, Mr. Kemal, and his wife, Mrs. Kemal. I can see some of the retired judges of Uttarakhand High Court. I can see Justice Gildyal here. So nice of him to come here. I can see some of the former members of the judiciary, district judges. There's so many of them who are here. Mr. Nathani is here, Mr. Bhatt is here, Mr. Dharam Sattu, Mr. Bijanwal, Mr. Garola, Madam Kumkum Rani is here. There's so many of you. Thank you so much for being here. Members of the judiciary, of Dehradun judiciary, members of the Uttarakhand High Court and District Court of Dehradun. Some of them are here. I can see the President of the Bar is here. Uttarakhand Bar, Mr. Mehta, Mr. Rawat. Two Netajis are here. I can see Mr. Mittal also, Mr. Jemini. I can see members of the District Bar of Dehradun. Mr. Lamba is here. Of course, Mr. Rajiv Sharma is here. And my old friend, Mr. I'm forgetting your name. Khanduri ji. Mr. Khanduri is here. And there are so many. I can see Mr. Bindra here, Mr. Kohli, my colleague from Uttarakhand High Court days is here. I'm sorry if I'm missing some of you. And the rest of the members of the bar, ladies and gentlemen, my dear fellow students who are here. And most of all, the persons who were totally involved here in raising this building, the architect, the engineer, the supervisor, and above them all, the workers who toiled day and night, living in miserable conditions, perhaps with no roof on their head, who have worked for 6-7 years, close to 6-7 years in raising this building. I'm sure, I was very happy when most of the speakers who complimented them, without exception, right from the master of the ceremony, the Registrar General Kehkasha, who said it more than once, and all the speakers spoke about them, which is absolutely essential. One thing which should be done is like at least one or two of them who we should also give a memento or something, if not now, at some other time. Because you see, we were here, I was involved with this building since 2012, I think 2012 or 2013. Mr. Justice Bhram Singh Verma is not here. Both of us were a part of the building committee. And we were told to go and see the Saket building of Delhi. go and check it, because that's supposed to be the role model now onwards for all the district court buildings in the country. So we went there, we had a discussion, we saw the architecture, we talked to the architect, and finally we worked out a plan for this building here. Initially there were a lot of hiccups. Building started in 2013, but as happened, sometimes the funds were not coming, sometimes there were some other problems, but gradually these are the things which naturally happen. But ultimately, with tremendous support of both the central government and the state government, I remember once funds were not coming, and I said at least we should start the family court. Now today I can't actually picture where the family court is, but we requested the state government to at least make the family court functional. So I'm told the family court at least had become functional much before this. But this building today is a tribute to all of you who have worked day and night in making this a reality. Now, today, as all of the rest of the speakers have said before you, is indeed a historic day. See, it's a historic day because today we have a building with the latest technology at the service of the district judiciary and the members of the bar. And this place, from where now a district court will be functioning, was earlier a jail. I'm told a lot of prominent people, I mean, they were of course accused who were convicted of crimes who stayed here. But there were many other people like revolutionaries, the freedom fighters, who also stayed here. Today, instead of a jail, what will be functional will be a courtroom, a district courtroom, which I am sure will give justice to all of you, to all the litigants, and this is what is expected from this. Finally, it is not the building which matters, but the way we function, the way we make use of the building which will ultimately matter. Now, I was reminded by Mr. Matani that I should also speak in Hindi because, and I realized it, क्योंकि डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोर्ट की बिल्डिंग का उद्घाटन हो रहा है और कोर्ट की लैंग्वेज अंडर द जनरल रूल सिविल इज हिंदी, तो मैं कुछ संबोधन अपना हिंदी में भी करना चाहूँगा। यहाँ पर जैसा मैंने कहा, हर तरह के लोग आके टिके थे जब ये जेल थी, शातिर मुजरिम, कातिल भी होंगे, पर यहाँ पे बड़े बड़े लोग भी ठहरे जो क्रांतिकारी थे, जैसे जवाहरलाल नेहरू। जवाहरलाल नेहरू शायद 1932 से लेके 41-42 तक 3 या 4 बार इस जेल में आए थे, और उनकी किताब जब मैंने पढ़ी, उनकी ऑटोबायोग्राफी, उसका नाम ही ऑटोबायोग्राफी है। आज शायद जहाँ नेहरू जी का सेल हुआ करता था वो एक हेरिटेज, एक वो है शायद इधर, हाँ, तो उन्होंने अपनी ऑटोबायोग्राफी में लिखा है कि एक दिन मैं उस जेल को बहुत यूज्ड, हालांकि वो काफ़ी टाइम यहाँ रहे थे, जेल थी, बट उस किताब में अपने स्मरण में उन्होंने इसको बड़ा ही हैज रिमेंबर्ड इट विद अ लॉट ऑफ फॉन्डनेस एज ही वाज रियली मिसिंग आउट ऑफ समथिंग। तो उन्होंने लिखा है कि एक दिन मैं शाम को बैठा हुआ था, मैं दीवार के बगल में खड़ा हुआ था और आते जाते लोगों को देख रहा था, तो एक व्यक्ति जो मेरे वहाँ से जा रहा था, उसके कंधे पे एक जानवर था, कुछ लिजर्ड, वो बड़ा वाला लिजर्ड होता है ना, मॉनिटर उसने किया हुआ था। तो जवाहरलाल नेहरू ने लिखा कि मैंने उससे पूछा कि भाई तुम इसका क्या करोगे, क्यों ले जा रहे हो? तो उसने कहा कि इसकी मैं सब्जी बना के घर में खाऊंगा। तो नेहरू जी ने लिखा है कि इसका मतलब है एस्टेक्स बना के कि जो ये कह रहा है वो कह रहा है कि सब्जी मीन्स एन इंडियन करी, सब्जी बना के खाएगा। तो नेहरू जी के अलावा भी बहुत क्रांतिकारी यहाँ पे रहे, तो इसकी बड़ी हिस्टोरिक वैल्यू है इस जगह की। और 1966 में मुझे बताया गया कि ये डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोर्ट शुरू हुआ सड़क के उधर से, जस्टिस मेरे ख्याल से मिस्टर आफ्ताब अहमद पहले डिस्ट्रिक्ट जज थे यहाँ के, और उसके बाद एक लाइन से बड़े जजेस आए जिनको मैंने इलाहाबाद में देखा। मुझे याद आ जस्टिस ओपी गर्ग भी यहाँ पे डिस्ट्रिक्ट जज रहे, जस्टिस जेसी गुप्ता, जस्टिस कांडपाल, जस्टिस धनिक, जस्टिस कांडपाल और जस्टिस ध्यानी, ये लोग यहाँ पे डिस्ट्रिक्ट जज रह चुके, और जस्टिस मैठानी भी यहाँ पे थे। तो वकील यहाँ पे, जब मैं इलाहाबाद में जब वकालत तो मैंने शुरू नहीं की थी, तो मुझे याद है कि वहाँ पे जस्टिस तेज प्रकाश, वहाँ मिस्टर तेज प्रकाश, मिस्टर गोयल, यहाँ पे बड़े वकील होते, बड़े नामी वकील थे यहाँ पे, मिस्टर गोयल, मिस्टर सरन, मिस्टर सकलानी होते थे। जब मेरे पिताजी वकालत कर रहे थे तो सकलानी जी आते थे यहाँ से। मुझे बाद में पता चला कि यहाँ के टॉप क्रिमिनल लॉयर्स में थे। जब मैंने वकालत की तो उनका मेरे पे बहुत स्नेह था। तो देहरादून बार की एक बड़ी परंपरा है, और ये परंपरा चलती रहेगी। यहाँ पे अब एक बहुत बड़ा दायित्व आपका हो गया है कि ये जो इतनी बड़ी इमारत आपको मिली है, इसमें ये देखिए एक खूबसूरत और एक मजबूत इमारत तो है, पर एक मजबूत इमारत से ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है कि उसके अंदर जो फंक्शन करे वो एक मजबूत न्यायपालिका फंक्शन करे। जाहिर है कि इस इमारत के अंदर से अब बड़ी बड़ी दलीलें होंगी, बड़े ज़िरह होगी, बड़े नामी वकीलों द्वारा फैसले लिए जाएंगे, पर अल्टीमेटली ये जो इतनी बड़ी इमारत है, ये किसी ब्रिक या मोटर या सीमेंट इस पे नहीं खड़ी हुई है, ये खड़ी हुई है एक ट्रस्ट पे, और वो ट्रस्ट है पब्लिक ट्रस्ट। क्योंकि पब्लिक ट्रस्ट करती है इसलिए लोग यहाँ आते हैं। जिस दिन ये ट्रस्ट खत्म हो जाएगा, ये इमारत का कोई मतलब नहीं रहेगा, ये टूट जाएगी, खत्म हो जाएगी। तो उस ट्रस्ट को हमें जिंदा रखना है। उसकी जिम्मेदारी वकीलों की है, उसकी जिम्मेदारी जजेस की है, उसकी जिम्मेदारी सारे स्टेक होल्डर्स की है। देखिए, एक बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट जूरिस्ट हैं और लीगल स्कॉलर, जिसको मैं समझता हूँ कि दुनिया के टॉप जूरिस्ट में से वो एक होंगे, आर्ग्यूबली परहैप्स मेरे हिसाब से द बेस्ट हो। उनका नाम है आहरन बराक। आहरन बराक रिटायर्ड एज ए चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ इजराइल सुप्रीम कोर्ट। वहाँ शायद उसको मेरे ख्याल से प्रेसिडेंट कहते हैं, प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ सुप्रीम कोर्ट ऑफ इजराइल। उनकी तमाम किताबें हैं, A Judge in a Democracy, Purposive Interpretation of Law, Dignity and Human Rights, तमाम। उन्होंने लिखा है कि मैं ये कभी नहीं भूला, मैं इजराइल के सबसे बड़े कोर्ट का जज हूँ, पर मैं कभी नहीं भूला अपनी पूरी जिंदगी कि जब मैं जाता हूँ, अपनी गाड़ी में बैठता हूँ, जब कोर्ट में जाता हूँ, जब कोर्ट में बैठता हूँ, तो सिर्फ मैं एक ट्रायल कंडक्ट नहीं कर रहा होता, वहाँ पे एक लिटिगेंट भी बैठा है जो मेरे कंडक्ट को एक ट्रायल की तरह से देख रहा है। तो जो जज होता है वो जो जब अब एक ट्रायल कंडक्ट कर रहा होता है या एक जजमेंट दे रहा होता है, तो उस कोने में एक लिटिगेंट भी बैठा हुआ है, एक छोटा सा सहमा हुआ, जो उस जज को जज कर रहा है। मसला ये है कि जो एम्फेसिस मैं देना चाह रहा हूँ, वो देना चाह रहा हूँ एक प्रोसीजरल जस्टिस पे। देखिए, हर मुकदमे में दो पार्टीज होती हैं, एक जीतती है, एक हारती है। जो जीतती है वो खुश होती है, जो हारती है वो दुखी होती है। पर जो हारती है वो कम दुखी होगी अगर उसको ये एहसास हो कि उसको सुना गया, बस। और अगर हम एज अ लॉयर और हम एज अ जज इस चीज़ को अपने जहन में रखते हैं, तभी हम अच्छे जज हैं और तभी हम एक अच्छे वकील हैं। वरना तो जैसे फैज़ ने कहा है ना, मुझे भी सिर्फ एक मिसरा याद है, मुझे याद नहीं आ रहा, कि वरना किसे वकील करे किससे मुंसिफी चाहें। ये हाल नहीं होना चाहिए। एक ट्रस्ट हमेशा बरकरार रहना चाहिए एक लिटिगेंट का इस न्यायपालिका इस सिस्टम पे। मुझे यहाँ पे एक और ख्याल आ रहा है कि देखिए हमारा संविधान ही है ना, संविधान स्टार्ट्स विद द प्रीएम्बल, वी द पीपल ऑफ इंडिया वी सिक्योर टू ऑल द पीपल। सबसे पहले क्या है? जस्टिस, लिबर्टी, इक्वलिटी, फ्रेटर्निटी बाद में। फर्स्ट थिंग इट सिक्योर्स टू द पीपल ऑफ इंडिया इज जस्टिस। वो जस्टिस यही है कि आप सुनो, आप जो भी निर्णय लोगे वो सही निर्णय लोगे, पर जो भी आपके सामने लिटिगेंट है उसको हमेशा यह एहसास होना चाहिए कि उसे सुना गया। मैं जब इलाहाबाद में था तो मैं जिस कॉलोनी में रहता था, ये चीज़ मैं हमेशा कहता हूँ, आज भी दोहराऊंगा कि हमारी कॉलोनी में एक सामने एक इलाहाबाद हाई कोर्ट के एक रिटायर्ड जज रहते थे। मुझसे बड़ा स्नेह था उनका, और मैं छोटी चीज़ें जब किसी से कुछ पूछनी होती थी उनके पास जाता था और वो बड़े तरीके से बताते थे, बड़े ध्यान से बताते थे कि ये करो, इसमें रिट होगी, इसमें 482 होगा, ये होगा। क्योंकि नया नया वकील होता है, उसको पता भी नहीं होता कि क्या हाई कोर्ट में करना है, रिवीजन है कि क्या। तो फिर बाद में मैं उनसे थोड़ा क्लोज हो गया और एक दिन मैंने उनसे पूछ ही डाला, वो मैं उनका नाम बता दूं आपको, वो थे जस्टिस जगमोहन लाल सिन्हा, जिन्होंने वो हिस्टोरिक जजमेंट दिया था इंदिरा गांधी को राजनारायण की इलेक्शन पिटिशन पे। तो मैंने वो जजमेंट पढ़ा, तो मैंने जस्टिस सिन्हा से कहा कि मैंने कहा, डोंट यू थिंक यू आर अ बिट हार्श ऑन मिसेस गांधी? तो उनका जवाब बड़ा महत्वपूर्ण था। उन्होंने कहा नहीं, आई वॉज नॉट हार्श, बट यस इफ एनीथिंग वॉज हार्श इट वॉज द लॉ, परहैप्स द लॉ वॉज हार्श। वो एक ऐसे जज थे कि जब भी शाम को वॉक पे जाते थे कॉलोनी में, रोड पे, सामने हेस्टिंग्स रोड पे, तो हर एक आदमी जो सामने से जा रहा होता है तो रिक्शे में साइकिल रोक के खड़ा हो जाता था और नमस्कार करता था। वो इलाहाबाद की किसी भी दुकान में चले जाते थे तो दुकानदार सारे ग्राहक को छोड़ के सबसे पहले उनसे पूछता था। उनकी इतनी इज्जत थी, और ये इज्जत इसलिए है, ये इज्जत सब जजेस के लिए है, और इसलिए है कि ये सिस्टम हमारा ऐसा है। देखिए अगर आप यूरोप में जाएं तो यूरोपियन कॉन्टिनेंट, अगर आप कॉन्टिनेंट में जाएं, फ्रांस, इटली, स्पेन, तो वहाँ उस समाज में सबसे ज़्यादा इज्जत होती है इफ़ यू आर अ प्रोफेसर, particularly if you are a professor in philosophy, then you are like God on earth. पर यही चीज़ अगर आप आयरलैंड में चले जाते, इंग्लैंड में चले जाते, तो ये इज्जत होती है एक जज की, वहाँ उसको वो इज्जत मिलती है। और क्योंकि हमने भी यहाँ पे एक कॉमन लॉ सिस्टम अपनाया है, इसलिए जजेस की भी वो इज्जत समाज में होती है। पर अल्टीमेटली ये इज्जत तभी तक है जब तक वो ट्रस्ट बरकरार है, और इस ट्रस्ट को अपनी ईमानदारी से, अपने शौर्य से जजेस को और लॉयर्स को दोनों को बरकरार रखना चाहिए। एक मैं आपको एक पर्सनल अपना किस्सा बता के ख़त्म करता हूँ, क्योंकि ये एक जुडिशरी इस पे आज है। एक बार मैं जब जज बना तो एक मुश्किल सा फैसला मेरे सामने आया, और मैंने फैसला लिख लिया था, मुझे पता था मुझे आज ये करना है, पर थोड़ा हिचक, थोड़ा संकोच, एक असमंजस। तो मैं सुबह जब जा रहा था तो नाश्ता में परिवार के साथ करता हूँ, मेरी माँ भी साथ रहती है, तो माय मदर नोटिस, तो उन्होंने कहा कि क्या बात है। तो मैंने थ्योरेटिकली बताया कि ऐसा है थोड़ा दिमाग में। तो शी वेंट बैक, अपने कमरे में गई और एक संस्कृत का श्लोक उन्होंने लिख के मुझे दिया। मेरा उच्चारण तो बहुत अच्छा नहीं है, तो तलफ़ुज़ में कुछ गलती हो सकती है, माफ़ कीजिएगा। ये नीति शतकम से है, निंदन्तु नीति निपुणा यदि वास्तुवन्तु लक्ष्मी समाविशति गच्छन्तु वा यथेष्टम अदेव वा मरणस्त युगांतरे वा न्यायात पथा प्रविचलन्ति पदम न धीरा। इसका मतलब है कि नीति को जानने वाले लोग निंदा करें या प्रशंसा, ये जजेस के लिए है कि नीति को जानने वाले लोग निंदा करें या प्रशंसा, लक्ष्मी आए या चली जाए, मृत्यु या आज ही हो या एक युग के बाद, धीर मनुष्य न्याय के मार्ग से एक कदम भी कभी विचलित नहीं होता। तो ये मेरी गुजारिश रहेगी, सिर्फ जजेस से ही नहीं, न्याय के पद पे जितना जज चलते हैं उतना वकील भी चलता है। तो बोथ टू द जज, बोथ टू द बार एंड द बेंच, कि आपके सामने आज कल से एक शायद या आज से ही एक नई बिल्डिंग में काम शुरू होगा। आशा करते हैं कि ये काम उस तरह से होगा कि देहरादून बार का जितना नाम है वो बरकरार रहे और हमारी उम्मीद न्यायालय से कायम रहे। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, Lordship, for sharing some part of history with us, particularly with younger generation, for your kind blessings, invaluable advice, and insightful words of wisdom and compassion. And now it's time to thank everyone who joined us today. Before inviting this year's Dehradun Shri Prem Singh Khimal for vote of thanks, I want to say a few lines. सड़क के उस पार से इस पार तक का सफ़र देहरादून बार एसोसिएशन के सभी एडवोकेट्स के लिए काफ़ी लंबा और उतार चढ़ाव वाला रहा, और उनके इस सफ़र के कुछ वर्षों में मैं भी उनके साथी रही हूँ। इसलिए आज मैं डायस के इस तरफ से शुक्रिया कहने के साथ साथ डायस के उस तरफ से भी तहे दिल से उन सभी लोगों का शुक्रिया अदा करती हूँ जिन्होंने इस कॉम्प्लेक्स को बनाने में किसी भी तरह का योगदान दिया हो। And I hope, being part of judicial institution, we will not fail this building, this system, which is hope of general public. अस्तो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय, इन्हीं शब्दों के साथ अपनी वाणी को फिलहाल इस प्रोग्राम के लिए विराम देते हुए मैं वोट ऑफ थैंक्स के लिए आमंत्रित करती हूँ श्री प्रेम सिंह खेमाल साहब को।
Good morning and my humble pranam to all the honorable dignitaries, respected invitees, ladies and gentlemen present here in the inauguration of the new district court building. Before I start my thanks speech on this special day, I would like to pray to the God of justice, Golju Maharaj, that गोलजू के चरणों में झुककर शुरू करूं मैं यह काम, गोलजू के चरणों में झुककर शुरू करूं मैं यह काम, मैं मूर्ख अज्ञानी चला प्रभु का लेने नाम। भाव नहीं जानता, भक्ति नहीं जानता और नहीं जानता मैं ज्ञान, फिर भी गोलजू आशा तुम्हारी सबल करना सबका काम। I consider it to my proud privilege to have the opportunity to place vote of thanks on the auspicious occasion on the inauguration ceremony of new court building, Dehradun. First, I, with deep sense of honor, privilege and humility, express our profound gratitude to Honorable Mr. Justice Sudhanshu Dhulia, Judge, Supreme Court of India, for sparing time to be with us to grace the occasion and indeed for having inaugurated the new court building. Honorable Lordship, your words of wisdom and guidance will inspire of us to do the justice. I also express my sincere gratitude and thanks to Honorable Mr. Justice Manoj Kumar Tiwari, Acting Chief Justice, Honorable High Court of Uttarakhand, for his benign presence. Lordship, your words will remind us to uphold the principles of justice and equality. I also extend my gratitude and respect to Madam for her presence. I also express my humble gratitude to Honorable Mr. Justice Ravinder Matani, Judge High Court of Uttarakhand, and respected Madam for their warm presence. It also my privilege to extend my sincere gratitude towards Honorable Mr. Justice Alok Kumar Verma, Judge High Court of Uttarakhand. I also express my humble regards for kind presence of Honorable Justice Rakesh Thapalial, Judge High Court of Uttarakhand. My humble and sincere gratitude to Honorable Mr. Justice Pankaj Purohit, Judge High Court of Uttarakhand, and respected Madam for their gracious presence on the occasion. I also express my heartfelt gratitude to Honorable Mr. Justice Vivek Bharati Sharma, Judge High Court of Uttarakhand. I also express my sincere thanks to former judges of High Court of Uttarakhand and retired district and session judge of state of gracing the occasion. It also pay my regards to Registrar General, High Court of Uttarakhand, and other registrars of Honorable High Court of Uttarakhand, Principal Secretary Law, Government of Uttarakhand, Principal Secretary Vidhai, and LA to Governor, and Members Secretary of Uttarakhand State Legal Service Authority, District Magistrate Dehradun, SSP Dehradun, and other officers of the state of their respectful presence. My sincere thanks to all due to all the office bearer of Bar Council of Uttarakhand, Bar Association of High Court of Nandal, Bar Association of Dehradun, and other Bar Association of District Dehradun and their learned members. I am also deeply thankful to senior officials of NBCC for their presence. I also express my keen thanks to the engineers, contractors, and workers association with the NBCC in the completion of this project. My sincere appreciation and thanks to all the judicial officers of this judgeship, all the concerned authorities, senior officials of the district for the smooth coordination and conduct of the program. I also express my thanks to the members of the national and local print and electronic media for their presence in the function of observe this momentous occasion. I once again thank and express my heartfelt gratitude all the people present here. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Kimal sir. May I now humbly request our Honorable Chief Guest Justice Shri Sudhanshu Dhulia, Judge Supreme Court of India, Honorable Justice Shri Manoj Kumar Tiwari, Acting Chief Justice High Court of Uttarakhand, and other Honorable Judges of High Court of Uttarakhand to kindly inaugurate the new court building of the district Dehradun by ribbon cutting and unveiling ceremony. And after unveiling ceremony, I request to all the Honorable Judges and dignitaries to visit the court building. After visit of court building, there is an arrangement for tea and snacks. Arrangement has been made in the conference hall at ground floor for honorable dignitaries and in the main lobby area for other respectable guests. Thank you very much.